Ready to go, mama? I miss ya. We'll be back in like a day. Is that cool? Mom and Pop gotta go make a cruise ship video. We'll see you in a bit.
Hello. Hello. You want to give us an update?
We've been driving 4 hours that way. We're almost to Miami. This is the boring part, you know?
Yeah.
But we did come up with some pretty good ideas for you guys, so.
We did. Oh, I can't wait.
Oh yeah, you guys are gonna be excited when that happens. So yeah, tonight we're gonna eat at this Cuban restaurant. I think should be really freaking good. We're about 30 minutes out, I think.
We are passing through the Everglades right now. It kind of scares me to drive through the Everglades. You're kind of screwed if you get stuck.
Woo! What's up, Paradise Crew? We just got to Miami. Parking was a complete hassle. So any parking you can handle in advance with the hotel, like book your parking or any lots you can get ahead of time and schedule, do it. By all means, do it. We drove around for about 20 minutes, 30 minutes after arriving at Miami just to find a parking spot. So it's also 4th of July weekend, so it's pretty busy here too. Sorry, I just knocked the mic, so if you heard a scuffle, that was my bad. So Alyssa got us a pretty sweet hotel, YVE, and our rooms got upgraded. So now we're on the 7th floor?
I think they called it
Eve?
Eve.
YVE, Eve. Anyway, we're in a junior suite now, so we're about to go show you guys that hotel room. So I'm excited. I haven't seen it yet, but I think Alyssa got good vibes from it.
I originally booked like a king size room, and I just got the key, and he said, oh, and I upgraded you to a junior suite. I was like, thank you.
All right, guys, so I'm sure I'll say this more than once. Alyssa and I are about to go try to fly the drone over the MSC seaside. They're supposed to take off at 7. What time is it? 7:07. So at the same time, we're gonna kill 2 birds with 1 stone. Try to get this ship, right? And if I get the ship, you'll see the drone shot in this vlog, maybe, and on Instagram. But if they don't see it, that means we didn't get it. But we're about to kill 2 birds with 1 stone. We're gonna get some food for sure. So we will see you there. It's moving! It's moving! Let's go get it! What's up, guys? We are at the, I don't know if you can hear me behind this thing, if you can, but we are at Latin American Cuban cuisine. Gonna get some authentic Cuban food. Check out this view. What'd you get, hon?
I don't know. Rice and beans, maduros, and I think skirt steak.
Skirt steak? Yep, that's what I ordered. Yeah. Onion. All right, so we're at Hotel.
We are.
And they give you a complimentary.
Complimentary.
Got Merlot. What's the plans for tomorrow?
Wake up super early. Try to catch the ship in port early so we can fly the drone. If the weather's nice. Get breakfast at a place near Miami Beach. Make sure our video is posted. Because tomorrow starts our day 1 of the video challenge. So make sure that's posted and then head over to the port so we're there before 10:30. There's fireworks outside.
That ain't great from upstairs.
Oh yeah.
Hey, what's up, guys? So I wanted to film the Hotel YVE.
Eve.
Hotel Eve. I wanted to film it for you guys real quick because, one, if you're coming to cruise out of Miami, it'll help because you can find this a very affordable hotel. And two, it's because we're here. I couldn't think of anything. All right, so bathroom tour. All right, so real small, really comfortable shower, real tall, glass barrier here. There's your toilet, pretty simple, very nice sink, towels. Very simple, I know. Just if you're staying here for a night, doesn't really hurt. Right now the light's a little dim. You can see it here, but you know, no big deal. But bed is nice, the room is nice. They lit off fireworks earlier, so you'll see that. But yeah, just for staying the night.
Oh, it's great for just.
It's great. Parking, again.
Well, parking's not great, but I mean, the hotel room, I think we paid $100 plus tax, so like $134. They upgraded us to a junior suite, and we have all the space we need. Okay, so schedule for tomorrow. Wake up super early, try to get drone shots around 7 or 8 of the Norwegian Getaway. Go get breakfast at, I want to say, Pura Vida. It's a restaurant, a healthy restaurant over by Miami Beach. Try to get some B-roll, some fun Instagram shots. Make sure our video is posted for tomorrow.
Heck yeah, we need a thumbnail too.
I already did that.
Oh, for YouTube's.
For YouTube's.
For these videos.
Oh. For these videos. Yes, thumbnails for these videos. And yeah, and then make sure we're at the port by 10:30. Bird?
All right, so for tonight, I think we're done. So are we done, Zo?
I'm done, Zo.
We're done, Zo. I got to transfer some clips for you guys so my camera and memory is free tomorrow because I'm basically going to be, hey, let me show them my camera stuff real quick. So we're trying this thing out tomorrow. It is the Glycam HD 2000. So after I turn this off, I'm actually gonna find a way to balance the camera on this thing right here. And ideally it's gonna keep all the shots a little smoother for you guys so it's not all over the place. So the weight's here, gonna help keep everything nice and steady. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy that. Let me know if you don't notice the steadiness in the thing because we might just sell the gimbal and then get a DJI Ronin S, which is supposed to hold this camera we have here, which is a Canon 6D Mark II. So yeah, that's information on that stuff there. So we'll go into more details. I'll let you know how this works.
Good morning, guys. It is now 10 o'clock. All the things that we said we were gonna do last night didn't happen.
Yeah, none of it. That's funny. Literally none of it happened.
And here's why. So apparently, and it's very unfortunate, but it's reported a crew member from the Norwegian Getaway jumped ship yesterday. So the cruise ship turned around and with the help of the Coast Guard tried to find the person, and unfortunately I don't think that he was found. So the Coast Guard called off the search probably around 8 o'clock last night. I think that's what I've been reading. So the cruise ship decided to head back to Port of Miami, said they wouldn't be arriving until 3 p.m. today. So I did check the ship's location. It does look like it's going to be in port around noon. We're kind of waiting to see whether or not we can still tour. Yeah, that's what I got.
Yeah, I mean, you pretty much summed it up.
Yeah, so
it's a series of unfortunate events that are out of our control.
So obviously we are praying for the family and hoping that everything turns out okay. Okay, we're in the Everglades. Helena's taking drone shots. Maybe. I'm gonna go back to the car because this is a little freaky. Hey, honey.
Huh?
Guess where we're not at?
The Norwegian Getaway.
The Norwegian Getaway. We're in the Everglades instead. All right, so unfortunately, we're not touring the Getaway today, which means we don't have any video for the Getaway. And that was what we were going to put out for the next week, probably. So, change of plans. We'll have to create new content for you guys.
Obviously, it's out of our control. It's kind of what happens. The unforeseen circumstances that happen when you're a travel vlogger. Crazier things have happened. But when you're doing this, this is part of the gig, part of the job. When you're trying to run a travel business, whatever kind of business, whatever it is, each business has its own set of problems, occurrences, things, nuances that happen that can kind of throw off the original plan of what you originally intended. And that's just kind of how the cookie crumbles this time.
Yeah, unfortunate events. Miami, what is it?
It's like the 4th time something bad's happened in Miami.
We're willing to give it another try if we get to go on more cruises out of Miami, but we'll just keep in mind that things might not necessarily go the way we want them to, or go at all, for that matter. So trying not to chalk this as a complete loss, trying to get the most content we can, just go home and film some more videos. We were told, however, that whenever we're in town, we are able to tour the Getaway, as long as it's in port, of course. So just to let people from Norwegian know that we would be coming and they would allow us to tour while it's in port. So that's great news. If we wanted to plan another trip in the near future, maybe in the next couple weeks, we'll see if we can swing another trip down to Miami. Might be a little bit better. Don't know, but we'll keep you posted, of course. We really would like to tour the Getaway and obviously have all that content on our channel for you guys. So let us know if you want us to try again. Yeah. Let us know if you want us to try again. Leave us a comment. How's it looking, Chief?